In this video, I'm going to show you how to add an AI chatbot to your Wix website. Let's get started. Wix does offer its own AI built-in features, but there's an important catch. On the free plan, you only receive a limited number of daily AI credits. Once those credits run out, the chatbot stops working until the next day when the credits reset. Because of this limitation, I'll show you a method using a third-party tool that gives you a true free option with 50 messages per month, which is perfect for testing. Head over to the Elf site website. Once you're there, search for their AI chatbot for Wix app. Click Create Widget to get started. You'll be taken to a live editor where you can customize your chatbot's appearance, set its welcome message, and choose how it looks on your site. Once you're happy with your settings, click the Save or Publish button at the bottom of the editor. Elf site will then generate a small HTML code snippet. Click the Copy button to save this code to your clipboard. You'll need it for the next step. Now log into your Wix account. From your site dashboard, go to Settings in the left sidebar. Then click on Custom Code or Tracking and Analytics, depending on your Wix version. Click the Add Code button. A window will pop up. Paste the HTML code you copied earlier into the code box. Give your code a name like AI Chatbot. Under Add Code to Pages, select All Pages so the chatbot appears everywhere. Under Place Code In, select Body End. This ensures the chatbot loads properly at the bottom of your page. Click Save and then publish your site. Now it's time to test. Visit your live website. You should see the chat icon or chat box appear, usually in the bottom corner. Click on it and send a test message to make sure it's working correctly. Keep in mind that the free plan on this third-party tool is limited to 50 chat messages per month. This is perfectly fine for testing a new site or for low-traffic websites. If your traffic grows, you can always upgrade to a paid plan later. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.